To resize this image in Canva, let me click on the image and I'm going to quickly just crop it like this to crop the size I want it to have. This is how I want my image to look like. And I'm going to go over to position just to see the dimensions my image has. I would come over to this add page type and click on more and click on custom size. Then I will type in this that is here into this page. So you can see for pixel size, when the unit is in pixels, that the dimension must be a whole number, not a fraction. I'm going to do this to the nearest whole number. This should be 4. I'm going to also make it 4 and I'll create a new page. And I'm going to come to this first page and drag this image into this page. You see it has filled it all out to make sure everything is correctly aligned. We can see on that position here, you can align it to the middle and to the center. That way you have everything perfectly aligned. And for this first page, I'm just going to delete it. Click on share to export my resize image.